Choose rewards. Fleet. Oh, just in time. Shadow wants to come back in. Be right back. Alright, so after, I'm gonna do one more, PvE, and I'm gonna go ahead and get off. That last time I got up, I twisted my leg the wrong way, and my hip problem just, like, it just did shooting pain, like, up and down my leg. So, I at least want to get one mission in. One more PvE in. And then I think I'll be done. Yeah, I was gonna say, just send me an actual message. Yeah, just one more. Just because I want to kill a little more. Lol. Also, I think I know what this is. Oh, what is it? This is a glitched out shadow band. What? Alright, that's okay. If it is that, I'm gonna do some research on that because I want to make sure. Shadow, you alright? Oh, she tripped. She tripped on my arm when she put her arm up on mine. She, I guess, lost balance and then she went down. Oh, baby, I know. I think actually, I'm gonna have to get off now because I know what's going on. She senses that I'm in pain, so she's trying to make me feel better. So even if I wanted to do anymore, it wouldn't be possible.